In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to check whether your contacts are saved to iCloud and how to make sure everything is syncing the right way. First, open Settings. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Next, tap iCloud. Here, select Saved to iCloud and make sure Contacts, Safari, Messages, and any other data you want synced are toggled on. Now go back to Settings and scroll down Tap Apps. Tap Contacts, then select Contact Accounts. You'll see your iCloud account listed here. Make sure the Contacts toggle is also turned on in this section. Once that's done, open your Contacts app. Tap the button at the top left. Here, you'll see categories such as All Contacts, your email accounts, and at the bottom, All iCloud. Tap All iCloud to view only the contacts saved to your iCloud. From here, you can add new contacts, delete old ones, and manage everything stored in your iCloud account. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more short, practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.